So if you guys are following me, we have a predicament on how we use Claude Code to design websites, and this one might be the most gatekept website out there. These are all types and styles of website out there, from Apple to way funkier websites like Hyper Studio, right? And what we can do is it can actually have a copy effect as well. So if I go and open up outside of this thing, and you can go here, and the website pixels, the color combinations, what is there, all of the information has been provided by this website. And right now I'm using Claude to actually go through it and give me a better recommendation. As you can see, it's actually having browser control. As you can see here, Claude is here, and it's actually trying to figure out which one would be better for us. So let me go through and going through hundreds of website templates. Clean SaaS is the winner that Claude said. So let me just try it out here. What is the Clean SaaS? And this is the website templates. And as you can see, AutoSend is one of the types of website, and I really like this one, Fresher. What resonates me. So I'm going to copy this one and say, can you please understand this website, and then copy the design template and paste it onto our website homepage. If you think Elementor is not necessary, please proceed with just making custom code for WordPress. Please note that you should always use WordPress and not static HTML website. So this is the website that we are trying to recreate. So Claude has told me, I appreciate the work for previous session. I appreciate, okay. The custom WordPress for SiteEasy homepage has successfully creating in page ID30 the full super indulgent design system and adapted green teal brand. So what we have did right now is copy one of the website template from here. This is a really underrated website. As you can see, it has like the color palette, typography, as well as the weightage and the button animation and padding and everything very detailed, and it also has the prompts for the AI. So it has set for us to go to reading, and under your home display select a static page and set font page SiteEasy home ID 30. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go here, home page SiteEasy home ID, and then save changes. Let's go back to Claude. Yes, I have done the changes. Let's see. So our first attempt on changing the website actually crashed and burnt. It was turning out to be a static HTML website, and nothing was changing on the design aspect. But on the other hand, we wanted to create a logo and other assets for SiteEasy, which I used Google Gemini. Do you guys know, if you're in India, Jio is a SIM card, and it gives you like 18 months Google Gemini free. If you're a university student, you can get it for free anyways. But comparing the cost to benefit ratio, getting a Jio SIM card is much more affordable. For getting the Google Gemini Pro, and you get Nano Banana as well. Not the full extent, but still very, very affordable. It's around 18,000 INR, or it's 180 or 200 USD per year that you are saving when you are buying a Jio SIM card, and you can just use it. So what you will do with this information is your hand. So if you want to follow me and be updated on how to use AI for the future, then you know what you'll have to do. See you on the next one.